Are you looking for the best cheap gaming laptops? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap gaming laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI Cyborg 15. At $999, the MSI Cyborg 15 is an easy go-to answer for this category. It smartly uses the latest entry-level parts in combination to provide a solid 1080p gaming experience, and its downsides are minimal for the cost. The 13th Gen Core i7 CPU and NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, while not chart toppers compared to all options, are cutting-edge components in this price range and ensure steady frame rates even at high settings. The build is solid enough, and the battery life is respectable, too. We can widely recommend this system to the average gamer shopping on a budget. Many don't want to spend more than $1,000 on a system, and this sits right at that limit. As long as you set your expectations reasonably, this is a strong pick for those seeking the best value and steady performance. The upsides are clear for the cost and the concessions aren't deal breakers, though we note some may chafe under the 512GB storage limit. Number 2. Acer Nitro 5. We have a long-standing affair with Acer's Nitro 5 budget gaming notebooks. There are two more of them on this list. The 15.6-inch model here is only $899.99 and, frankly, if you want 60+ frames per second, FPS, you should aim a little higher. However, this laptop's 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T GPU are a fine fit for its 1080p, 144Hz screen, and it gives you plenty of ports in a nicely understated package, i.e. it's not clad in garish red and black, like too many gaming rigs. Number 3. MSI Cortana 15. Our tested review unit of this system, at $1,599, is one of the best values around for what it offers. But if you're shopping on a strictly lower budget, its $999 starting configuration will be much more appealing. You can grab a 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor and even NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics for a bit over $1,000, which is a tough deal to beat. You must always make some concessions in the budget tier. The build isn't anything to write home about, but it's hard to argue against going for the best performance possible for your dollar. Number 4. Acer Nitro 5. When anybody asks us, can you recommend a low-priced gaming laptop with such and such screen size, chances are we'll mention an Acer Nitro 5. This 2022 model has the drawbacks of all 17.3-inch notebooks. It's bulky and heavy, 6.6 pounds, but for those who want a jumbo display, it has all the values of other Nitro 5 models, including a peppy AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, 16GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and a GeForce RTX 3060 GPU for lively 1080p gaming. Number 5. Asus TUF Gaming F17. We like other affordable laptops besides Acer's Nitro 5 line. In the 17.3-inch category, the Asus TUF Gaming F17 is a tempting alternative with a comparable 144Hz display. It has less memory and storage, and its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 is a small step down in gaming performance, but the Asus is considerably cheaper, well under $1,000, in fact lighter than the Nitro at 5.73 pounds. The TUF Gaming F17 provides a wide enough array of ports as well as upgradable RAM and storage. If you're wanting a big screen on a shoestring budget, then this is a fine place to stop your search.